In this video, I'll go over the 5 best drones for roof inspections. Let's take a look.
The first drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a high-performance drone combining advanced imaging, impressive flight capabilities, and robust safety features. Weighing 895 grams, it features a compact foldable design with a maximum flight time of 46 minutes and a maximum flight distance of 30 kilometers. It offers extended aerial operation. It can ascend at 8 meters per second and reach horizontal speeds of up to 21 meters per second and withstanding winds up to 12 meters per second. At its core is a Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera with 20 megapixel resolution, variable aperture and support for JPEG and RAW photos. It captures up to 5.1K video at 50 fps and Full HD at 200 fps for slow motion. Supporting formats like MP4 or MOV with a maximum video bitrate of 200 MB per second. Color profiles include normal, D-Log, D-Log-M and ALG. Digital zoom up to 3 times is available in video mode. Stabilization is provided by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with fine angular vibration control, ensuring smooth footage. Its omnidirectional sensing system combines binocular vision and infrared sensors for obstacle detection on all sides, enhancing safety in flight. Navigation uses GPS, Galileo and Baidu with hovering precision up to ±0.1 meters vertically. The O3 Plus video transmission system delivers 1080p live view at up to 60 fps with a maximum transmission range of 15 kilometers. Internal storage is 8 GB with support for high-performance micro SD cards. Power is provided by a 5000 mAh Li-ion battery offering 77 watt-hours of energy, charged in about 96 minutes. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is classified under the EU's C1 drone category and is guaranteed software support through the end of 2026. Also, if you're interested in any of the covered drones in this video and want to find out the current prices, then you can check out the links in the description or the first pinned comment of this video. The second drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a high-performance drone built for advanced aerial photography and videography. Weighing 958 grams, it features a foldable design for portability. It boasts a maximum flight time of 43 minutes and hovering time of 37 minutes with a flight distance of up to 28 kilometers under optimal conditions. The drone includes 3 high-end cameras, a Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS sensor, which is 20 megapixels for wide shots, a 1/1.3 inch CMOS medium telephoto, which is 48 megapixels, and a 1/2 inch CMOS telephoto, 12 megapixels. Each camera supports high-resolution stills and professional-grade video. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone uses multiple video sensors and infrared to navigate complex environments safely. It can resist winds up to 12 meters per second and reach speeds of 21 meters per second horizontally, with a maximum altitude of 6,000 meters. For video transmission, the O3 Plus system offers up to 15 kilometers range and live view at 1080p/60 fps, with Wi-Fi 6 downloads reaching 80 MB per second. Latency can be as low as 120 milliseconds with compatible controllers. Storage includes 8 GB with support for high-speed micro SD cards. Its 5000 mAh battery charges in as little as 70 minutes using the 100 watt USB-C adapter, and a variety of charging options are available, including car and hub charges. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is classified under EU C2 and supports GPS, Galileo and Baidu for precise positioning. DJI guarantees software updates through December 31st, 2026 making it a future-ready drone for professionals. As a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe if the video is giving you good value, and let me know in the comments what your favorite drone is. The third drone on the list is
the DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a lightweight compact drone weighing approximately 377 grams with dimensions of 185 times 212 times 64 millimeters. It features impressive flight capabilities, including a maximum ascent and descent speed of 6 meters per second in normal mode and 9 meters per second in sport mode. It can take off at altitudes up to 5,000 meters and has a maximum flight time of about 23 minutes when flying forward at 21.6 kilometers per hour, with a hovering time of roughly 21 minutes. The maximum flight distance reaches up to 13 kilometers under ideal conditions. Equipped with GPS, Galileo and Baidu for navigation, the Avata 2 offers precise hovering accuracy. It withstands wind speeds up to 10.7 meters per second and operates in temperatures ranging from minus 10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. The camera system includes a 1.3-inch sensor with 12 megapixels, which supports 4K video recording at up to 100 fps, various resolutions down to 1080p, and MP4 video formats with a maximum bitrate of 130 MB per second. The drone offers advanced electronic image stabilization and a single-axis mechanical gimbal for tilt stabilization. For sensing, it uses downward and backward visual positioning with a time of flight sensor effective up to 10 meters. The video transmission system supports up to 1080p at 100 fps with low latency via a 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency range, enabling a maximum transmission distance up to 13 kilometers in interference-free environments. The drone runs on a 2150 mAh Li-ion battery with a charging time of about 45 minutes via a 60-watt charging hub and supports fast charging. The included DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 has a battery life of approximately 10 hours. The Avata 2 supports large micro SD cards for internal storage and is guaranteed software updates until the end of 2026, ensuring continued performance and feature enhancements.
The fourth drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-performance camera drone designed for professional aerial imaging and extended flight performance. It weighs 895 grams. It features a foldable design and a maximum flight time of 46 minutes under ideal conditions. With a 5000 mAh battery and a top flight speed of 21 meters per second, it can fly up to 30 kilometers in controlled environments. It withstands winds up to 12 meters per second and operates at temperatures from minus 10 Celsius to 40 Celsius. Equipped with the Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS main camera, the Mavic 3 captures high-quality stills and video with adjustable apertures, 5.1K video resolution, and support for multiple photo modes including burst, AEB, and timed shots. The signed model adds Apple ProRes 422 support with a massive 1 terabyte internal SSD. A secondary 1/2-inch telephoto camera offers up to 28 times digital zoom and 4K video recording. The gimbal provides 3-axis stabilization with precise angular vibration control. Vision sensing is omnidirectional, assisted by infrared sensors for obstacle detection up to 200 meters. The O3 Plus video transmission system ensures low latency 1080p live feeds at 60 fps with a maximum transmission range of up to 15 kilometers. The Mavic 3 is compatible with various storage options including a recommended micro SD card and for sign mode and high-speed SSD recording. Charging options include standard wall, car and hub charging with a 96-minute full battery charge time. The RC-N1 controller supports multiple USB types and has a 6-hour battery life. DJI has committed to software updates for the Mavic 3 until December 31st, 2026, reinforcing its long-term support for professional users. The fifth and final drone on the list is
the DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a compact, lightweight drone designed for ease of use and portability, weighing just 246 grams, making it exempt from training or licensing requirements in most regions. When folded, it measures 138 x 81 x 58 millimeters, expanding to 245 x 289 x 56 millimeters with propellers expanded. This drone offers impressive flight capabilities with a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a flight range of up to 15.7 kilometers under optimal conditions. It can ascend at 5 meters per second, descend at 3.5 meters per second, and reach a top horizontal speed of 16 meters per second. The maximum takeoff altitude is 4,000 meters, though it's limited to 2,000 meters when using propeller guards. It's built to withstand wind speeds up to 10.7 meters per second and operates in temperatures ranging from 0 degrees to 40 degrees. Positioning is highly accurate thanks to a combination of GPS, GLONASS and Galileo systems with vision positioning, enhancing hovering stability. The drone includes a 3-axis mechanical gimbal supporting smooth video capture and precise control with a 12 megapixel 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor. The camera supports 2.7K video at up to 30 fps and Full HD at up to 60 fps. With digital zoom up to 3 times in 2.7K and 4 times in Full HD. Still photo features include JPEG and RAW formats, panoramas, time shot, and AEB mode. Video transmission is handled by DJI O2, offering a live feed at 720p/30 fps and a maximum transmission distance of 10 kilometers. The DJI RC-N1 remote controller provides up to 6 hours of operation, depending on mobile device charging. The drone uses a 2250 mAh Li-ion battery and supports various micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes. With features like quick shots, intelligent shooting modes, and reliable performance, the DJI Mini 2 SE is ideal for beginners and hobbyists seeking high-quality aerial photography in a compact form factor.
These were the drones I carefully researched for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified about future videos. Also, if you're interested in more information about the mentioned drones in this video, then don't forget to check out the links in the description or first pinned comment of this video. See you in the next one.